Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting tool that's transforming the way we create videos, LensGo AI. Whether you're a professional video editor or just someone who loves making creative content, LensGo AI has something for you. So, let's get started. LensGo AI is an advanced AI tool designed to make video creation easier and more efficient. With features like automated video editing, customizable templates, and real-time adjustments, you can create stunning videos in no time. Let's explore how to use this powerful tool. First things first, you'll need to sign up or log in to LensGo AI. You can do this through their website, lensgo.ai. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with the dashboard. On the dashboard, you'll find all the tools you need to start creating your videos. Key features: text-to-image and text-to-video generation. Users can generate realistic images or videos simply by inputting text descriptions. This makes it easy to create visually appealing content without advanced technical skills. Style transfer and animation. The tool allows for the application of various artistic styles to images and videos, such as transforming a video into a style reminiscent of a Van Gogh painting. Custom model training. Users can train custom models using their data, enabling the creation of unique and personalized visuals. Let's start by creating a new project. Click on the New Project button. Once you've created a new project, you'll be taken to the editor. Here, you can upload your video files, add images, and select templates. For this tutorial, let's upload a video and see how we can transform it. LensGo AI supports various formats, so you shouldn't have any issues with compatibility. Once your video is uploaded, you'll see it on the timeline. That's how you can use LensGo AI to create amazing videos with ease. Whether you're making content for social media, marketing, or just for fun, LensGo AI has got you covered. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!